Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric lifting table stand. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Height Adjustable Electric Lifting Desk. Specifications: metal type, steel. Model number, Adjust-L table. With rollers, no. Pattern, no. Specific use, computer desk. Folded, yes. Is adjusted, yes. Style, laptop desk. General use, commercial furniture. Type, school furniture. Shape, rectangular. Item number 4 is Rattm Adjustable Lifting Table. Specifications: specific use, computer desk. General use, commercial furniture. Type, school furniture. Shape, rectangular. Input, 220-230 VAC. Load capacity, 1000 N. Stroke, 480 mm. Load, 100 kgs. Duty cycle, max 10% or 2 minutes on and 18 minutes off. Output power, 24 VDC. Max speed, 15 mm per s. Min install dimension, 700 mm. As the item number 3 we've selected, Tuqfun Electric Intelligent Lift Desk. Specifications: brand name, Tuqfun. Installation method, assembly. With keyboard shelf, no. With cabinet, no. With rollers, no. Specific use, office desks. Appearance, modern style. General use, commercial furniture. Type, office furniture. Long feet, 550 mm. Platform length, 450 mm. Telescopic range, 1100 to 1700 mm. Item number 2 is Red Life Electric Standing Desk Frame. Specifications: installation method, assembly. Scene, home office. Specific use, computer desk. Style, laptop desk. General use, commercial furniture. Size, 61.6 inches by 38 inches by 49 inches. Material, alloy steel. Type, school furniture. Shape, rectangular. Color, black and white. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vever Electric Standing Desk. Specifications: installation method, assembly. With keyboard shelf, no. With cabinet, yes. With rollers, no. Specific use, office desks. Appearance, modern style. General use, commercial furniture. Material, wooden. Type, office furniture.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.